Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use DaVinci Resolve Audio. We will begin by exploring the dedicated Fairlight page, which is your central hub for all audio post-production. You will learn to navigate its unique interface, identifying key areas like the timeline, mixer, and effects library. We will also cover the fundamental steps of importing your audio clips and organizing them efficiently within your project, setting a solid foundation for your sound design journey. Next, we will dive into essential audio editing techniques. You will discover how to precisely adjust the volume of individual clips, either through the intuitive inspector panel or by setting keyframes for dynamic changes. We will then explore applying smooth fades at the beginning and end of clips, along with crossfades to seamlessly blend audio segments. Finally, you will learn to use the powerful equalizer to sculpt your audio's tone, enhancing clarity or adding warmth. Moving on, let's explore more advanced mixing and effects. The mixer panel allows you to control track-based volume, panning, and routing, giving you comprehensive command over your soundstage. We will then delve into adding various audio effects, such as compression to even out dynamics and reverb to add spatial depth. You will also learn to use automation, drawing in changes over time to create truly dynamic and engaging soundscapes for your projects. Finally, we will cover the crucial step of exporting and finalizing your audio. You will learn to navigate to the Deliver page, where you can render your complete audio mix. We will discuss selecting the most appropriate audio formats and bit rates, ensuring high-quality output for various platforms. The goal is to ensure your audio levels are perfectly optimized, providing a professional and impactful listening experience for your audience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.